Om Jnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Devotee chants the name of the Lord and endeavors with great conviction and determination. So I myself have Dhrida Vishwas, strong conviction that the candidates for initiation today are themselves very firm in their commitment to Krishna consciousness. They're both practicing Krishna consciousness seriously. They have made Krishna the goal of their lives. They are both serving Lord Jagannath and his devotees. So I pray to Srila Prabhupada that I may serve them properly, to link them to the parampara of great acharyas. That is our link back to the spiritual world. This morning one lady she was asking a question about praying and communicating with God. Is that lady still here? So it's true that when we chant Hare Krishna, we call out to Krishna. But you may notice that before we chant Hare Krishna, we recite some other prayers also. The idea is that we approach Krishna through his representatives. Just like I was giving that example, even to approach a king of this world is not so easy because he's a very big man and we are very small people. But if we want to communicate with the king, as we could say as a subject we all have the right to do so. But practically speaking, if we can get the attention of one of his close friends or his ministers, that will be an easier way for us to approach the king. Even if we come before the king directly and say, I need this, I need that, it won't be as effective as if we approach his close friend and the close friend goes to the king and says, there's one of your subjects, he requires this and that, and the king says, oh, you're recommending? Okay. So in the same way, the best way to approach Krishna is through his representative. We do so through the process of Guru Parampara. So we request all the acharyas in our Guru Parampara to shower their blessings upon the new initiation candidates and to accept their sincere service and to make them fit for entering the spiritual world and into the eternal service of Sri Sri Radha Madhava, in which condition there is no problem, no care, no anxiety. Simply in the service of the divine couple, there is the unending bliss of being engaged in that selfless service. So generally speaking, in Kali Yuga, no one is a very fit candidate for this very high level of spiritual life. But by the extraordinary mercy of Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, by this chanting of the Hare Krishna mantra, even unfit candidates become accepted. I am also an unfit candidate, but by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, I am now engaged in the service of linking people to the parampara. So certainly if someone as useless and rascal as myself can be accepted in the shelter of Srila Prabhupada, then certainly what to speak of others. So praying for the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and all the previous acharyas of Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who are all great oceans of mercy. I'd like to all the initiation candidates for that. These are very big beads. These are very big beads here. I presume you got such big beads, you want to do so much chanting that over the years you'll wear them down to become very small. You have to do a lot of chanting. These are the beads of that person who we shall now call Shanti Raj for the last time. So he can come up with instances. Should say the pranam mantra out loud. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Krishna Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vikasa.
नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी पाश्चात्य देशकारिणी जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत शिवास्ति गौर भक्ति.
So please go not to these they should somehow squash up, let him offer full shashtanga. Can you make some? Anyway, it's alright because the ladies don't have the shashtanga. I'll tell you a mantra you can say, but not mantra for Jagannath Sivakava. You can say after me. Nilachala, Nivasaya, Nityaya, Paramatmane, Balabhadra, Subhadrabhyam, Jagannathaya, Te Namaha. Jagannath is here, it's nice to come over in this room. Alright, so just come. So please tell me before regulated principles that you promise to follow. You can speak once you can say. Mangsaha Varjanam. Madhyapanam Varjanam. Sri Sangha Varjanam. No. Aksha. And then minimum how many rounds of the Hare Krishna chanting? Give them Bina Vishnu and it's as I was just saying, initiation means to surrender one's life. And so Krishna, of the Supreme Lord, Radharani, who has appeared in the pastimes of Chaitanya in the form of his intimate brethren, Hare Krishna.